Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to talk about phones and connecting them to your computers, having problems. Watch what happens when I connect my Galaxy S9 phone to my computer. And watch this. It's not connecting properly. I freaked out when it first happened. I thought my phone port was worn out. So I did some research on the internet. It says if you're having this kind of problem, your phone isn't connecting properly to the internet, to your computer, is change the USB cable. That's what I did. USB cable. Put in the phone. And the computer. Look at that. Works perfect. There's no problems. So if you're having a problem with, this is a Galaxy S9. If you're having a problem with your cell phone not connecting to your computer, try changing the cable. If that doesn't work, this here I'm plugged into a powered USB hub with a 3-foot extension, USB 3 extension. Just makes hooking up USB devices easier to the computer. If that doesn't work, you can try, if it's plugged into a USB powered USB port, try resetting it by unplugging the port, waiting 10 seconds, and plugging the port back, or your power hub back in, and see if that works. If that doesn't work, you can try hooking this up to a different port in your computer. If that doesn't work, try another port. If that just doesn't work, you may have to go to the store if you bought your phone, and you may have to repair your USB-C connection at the end of the phone here. So, but most of the cases are just going to be a bad cable. That's what you're going to run into, it's just a bad cable. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.